If you've just upgraded your BMW to CarPlay and it's not pairing, today we will go over how to fix this. First, go to your BMW, find Communication, and look for Manage Devices. Upon entering Manage Devices, you will see your phone that's been previously connected. Click on it and scroll down to Delete Device. This has now deleted the device off your BMW. Next step is to go to your phone, find your BMW on the list, and delete it. Forget device. Now we can start with the pairing process. Go back to Communication on your radio, click on Manage Mobile Devices, click Connect a New Device, and choose Apple CarPlay. From here, press Connect Apple CarPlay and confirm. Once you're on the screen, go back to your phone and click on Settings, then General, and look for CarPlay. Here it will scan for nearby cars. Right there we see the BMW with the last few digits of the VIN. Click on it and it will connect. You will click Pair on your screen and you will click Pair on the radio. And now this will take a few minutes to connect. The first time to connect is usually a lot slower. After that, it will work seamlessly. And just like that, you are paired to CarPlay on your BMW. If you're looking to activate CarPlay on your BMW, sure that you check out our link down below as well as on the screen. We have CarPlay activation options for most BMWs, including older BMWs.